Guys, I recently learned that brewing your iced coffee over ice is not the way. In fact, we've been making iced coffee wrong this whole time. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get an epic iced coffee at home really fast that tastes way better than instant without the mess of the overnight in the fridge method with Nespresso. Plus, the secret to not compromising any of the taste and aroma from your favorite coffee. Are you ready? To demonstrate this, I'm going to use a Nespresso Iced Forte Capsule that brews a mug-sized coffee. And by the way, you can use the espresso-sized capsules with this method too. As you can see, I have my glass on standby without any ice. This, my friends, is crucial. Next, let's place the capsule in, close the lid, and get this iced coffee party started with the push of a button. Check it out. The coffee is brewing. Yes, it's coming out hot, but wait for it. You see how rich and dark it is? I wish there was smell-o-vision because the aroma here is incredible. Check out the crema on top. That would be the most prized component of a well-made coffee that adds richness to any brewed cup in both taste and texture. And the best part is that brewing it in my Nespresso only took about a minute. Remember that I've told you that I've discovered the secret to not watering down your iced coffee? I'm going to flash cool it by adding ice after it's been brewed. This is going to lock in the rich coffee flavors you love from your Nespresso coffee capsules. All you have to do is give the ice cubes a stir and it cools down super fast. It's so good black. Although if you add cream or sugar to your iced coffee, now would be the time. Would you look at this iced coffee? Holy smokes, it's delicious, and that was so fast and easy to prepare. By the way, I didn't make this up. I actually flew to New York and learned how to make iced coffee at home the right way from the pros at Nespresso, and I knew that I had to come back and share it with you ASAP. In the description box below, you'll find everything that I used today, including my favorite Nespresso capsules to make iced coffee. If you try this method, let me know what you think in the comments below because I can't wait to read them. See you next time.